template was cut from a metal vinyl and stuck onto a piece of acrylic. You can use either a powder or, in this case, a nail polish to do this. If it's a powder, just dust over, remove any excess. This is a normal nail polish, not a special one, and it works just fine. Pick it up with a nail stamper, and the design will transfer to that, and then you just transfer it to your nail. Before doing this, I had applied a thin layer of PVA glue around my nail, just to protect the skin from the dark colour. It wasn't thoroughly dried though, because I was doing this in a hurry. To clean the nail plate, you'd use either rubbing alcohol or nail polish remover. Nail polish remover is preferable. I just happened to have that on my desk and was using alcohol instead. If it's still wet, then you can get most of it off with that. So the next job is to remove the dried PVA glue. Mine wasn't quite dry because I was doing this video in a hurry and therefore didn't peel off quite as easily, but believe me, normally it works really, really well, and it's a lot cheaper than using specialised products that you can buy to do exactly the same thing. To clean up the stamper head, just tap it on a lint roller or a piece of sticky tape, and that will remove all the excess polish. While I've done this with normal nail polish, you can also do it with gel nails. It makes very little difference. Obviously, you have to set that with a UV nail lamp. But it's easy enough to do. With a little bit of practice, you should be able to get some good results. If you want the file, it is linked down below, and I hope you enjoy using it. Take care now.